So we are going to make a baked stuffed avocado with chicken. All I need is 3 avocados, some chicken which I already boiled with salt and black pepper. I boiled a little extra, I don't think I need that much, but and 2 green chilies, some cilantro, half a cup yogurt, salt and black pepper. I'm going to cut the avocado into half lengthwise to take the seed out, right? So these avocados have pretty decent sized dip, but I want to make it a little more or a little bigger so I can stuff the chicken. So as you can see, I make the dip a little bigger, and now I'm gonna put some salt, sprinkle some salt and black pepper on that. In the next step, I'm going to put some chicken in, all of them. In fact, I was wrong. I used the entire chicken and fit all the 6 avocados. Now I need to transfer all the avocados into this baking tray. I'm using some PAM spray, like a little oil in it. So I have oven ready and 350 degrees preheated, and I'm going to put them for like maybe 6 minutes maximum. So while we are baking avocados, let's make the green sauce. I'm going to use this leftover of avocado which we peeled from the 3 avocados, basically 6 pieces. I'm going to add cilantro in it, and the 2 green peppers, and the yogurt, half cup yogurt in it. I will add a little bit of water and also a little bit of salt. So like a pinch of salt, and you can always add once it is ready. So everything is in there. I add a little bit, like maybe a tablespoon of water, and then let's do it. So the green sauce is ready, as you can see. Let me taste. Oh my goodness, so delicious. Okay, so 6 minutes over, avocados are ready. I'm gonna just pour this sauce on each of them. All right, here we go. All 6 avocados are baked, stuffed with chicken, and the green sauce on top of them.